Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I'm in the small town of Shenandoah, and behind me is the Shenandoah train yard for Norfolk Southern. I was hoping to see some train action, but right now it's been pretty quiet. There's a couple engines running, so that's about it. Hopefully we see something soon, so I'll just hang down here for a while. Well, we finally got a train, so while I was waiting for the train, I took the drone up, got some shots, and right there, we're just waiting for a crew change, and this will be heading up towards Front Royal, and hopefully we can get some drone shots of it crossing over the bridge. Definitely slow rolling out of the yard here. Well, it is slow going out of the yard here, so we're going to head down the road, and maybe we can catch a train going across one of the, I think it's about 8 or 9 trestle bridges heading towards Front Royal, and there's some pretty good ones, so we might at least get one of them, so let's get going. there's one bridge. Let's see how many we can get. Let's go. Well, I made it to the bridge I wanted to get to, and I took some drone photos. Hope you like that. There's probably between probably 6 or 7 trestle bridges from Front Royal down to Shenandoah Yard. So basically just pick one and wait for a train to come by. I could probably do 3 of them as slow as the train was going, but I didn't want to take a chance with traffic and speed limits and cops and who knows what. So just took my time, made it to this one, made it to one just out of Shenandoah Yard. And so I think that's going to do it. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.